Hey friends, if you encounter the CTF loader error on your Windows computer and you wish to disable the CTF loader process because it's causing high CPU usage, then do not do that. I will guide you through other solutions that can help. Now the first one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to scan for malware and search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it run. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.